Hello everyone! So today is the exact date of our anniversary and iti-dinner ako ni hubby sa level 33. Tara, let's go there! Kami sa Marina Bay Financial Center para mag-dinner sa level 33 restaurant. So guys, kailangan talaga ng reservation bago kayo makapag-dinner dito sa level 33. So yan, we're here now on the top floor of the building. Of course, it's on the 33rd floor. And by the way guys, this is also a microbrewery. Kaya later I want to try some of their craft beers. Yan, so we are being seated here by the window. Later, I will go out there sa may terrace and I will show you a panoramic view of Singapore's skyline and also makikita mo rin yung Marina Bay. Okay, it's time to order food. And bread. Guys, iinom ako ng paracetamol kasi I don't know, mainit sa labas. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Appetizer namin, calamari. I got a sirloin steak and my feta salad. And then my husband got, ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko. What's your food again? Ribeye steak. And meron siyang mashed potatoes.
Actually, almusal namin ito.
Ano ka? 7 p.m. na, no? This is my beer ice cream. Lasang beer. Legit na beer ice cream. Yan, binigyan kami ng complimentary cake. Happy anniversary cake. Pati wine. Pati white wine. Happy anniversary. Yan. Okay. So yan, lumabas na ako dito sa terrace. And let me show you the view. Kailangan makapag-picture-picture muna kami ni hubby dito. Smart casual ang dress code. So, bawal ang slippers and sandal for men. Ayan, so we're done with dinner. Pero parang gusto kong dumaan ng Marina Bay Sands. Although, punta naman kami doon bukas. Ayan, so mag-grab kami going there. After namin mag-dinner sa level 33, pumunta ulit kami dito sa Marina Bay Sands. Wala lang. Gusto lang namin ulit balikan. Iba pala dito pagkagabi kasi talagang mas maraming tao. Tsaka feeling ko mas buhay na buhay siya talaga. Magko-coffee kami muna dito sa Bistro. Kailangan ko mag-decaf. Ito yung souvenir na binigay ng level 33 nung waiter na naka-assign sa amin kanina. Okay, open ko siya. Nice. It's ano ba to that? Beer. Beer. Draft glass. Ganda oh. It's nice. Hello guys, good morning. Babalik kami ulit ngayon sa Marina Bay Sands like I said yesterday kasi doon naman kami muna magla-lunch before we go somewhere else. So we're gonna top up our card muna. So, we're here na sa Marina Bay Sands at the Rasapura Masters Food Court. Sarap po. Food ko, sobrang dami. Although nakain ko na itlog. Yung kay husband. So, now naman we're gonna have tea and desserts at PWG. This is a Basque cheesecake. And then that's a truffle sandwich. And we got our oolong tea. So we're here at the TWG store. Bibili lang ako ng macarons for the kids. So yan, nakabili na ako. So nandito naman kami ngayon sa Wisma Atria dito sa may Orchard Road. May bibilin lang ako dito. Bibili ako ng isang Pedro bag. This is a Singaporean brand. So bibilin ko na. Ngayon naman hanapin namin yung makeup brand na Juicy. Pinapabili ni daughter. Finally, nakita ko na yung pinahanap sa akin ng mga anak ko. Ata daw. Teka, parang gusto ko kumain ng cream puff ah. Okay, pabalik na kami ng hotel. Pero parang gusto ko muna kumain ng ice cream. Yan, super lapit lang dito sa hotel namin. Pistachio and butterscotch. Good night, guys. Currently in Toast Box right now. I'm gonna eat some kaya and coffee. Good morning, everyone. So that's my kaya toast, coffee, and eggs. So andito kami sa China Point Mall. Explore lang namin tong mall na to. This is really near our hotel. Yan. So hopefully today we can stroll the whole day para exercise na rin kasi namin yan eh. Maaliwalas tong mall na to, no? Look at that. Look at the ceiling. Diba? It's so nice. Ito, makit kami sa may third floor. Ayan, makit kami yung fourth floor. Ayan, look at that restaurant. Song Fa Bakute. Pinipilahan siya talaga. Ayan, merong mga food court. Same bridgeway going to the other mall. Ayan, parang gusto kong puntahan yung Furama City Center. Yan naman yung People's Park Center. Saan lang kami dito sa Furama Hotel. Passing through. Ito yung People's Park Center. Parang 168 lang ito. Still part of People's Park Center. Ayan. This place also reminds me of Lucky Plaza. Yan, explore namin yung banda doon. That is the Chinatown Point Mall. Diyan kami galing kanina. Ano pala to? People's Park Complex. Yung isa, People's Park Center. Sarap po sa Dough Magic. Ayan, pumasok kami ng People's Park Complex para magpa-aircon. Init sa labas eh. So, nandito kami sa loob ng grocery. Just buying some stuff. Yeah, buying pasalubong. Ayun pa yung isa. But most of the products here are really from China. Ayan. Ibili kami ng Singapore Merlion chocolates.
Talaga naman.
2 for $15. So, namili kami sa Joyous. Ayan yung isa. Super init sa labas. We're going to the Chinatown complex. Makit kami ng ng bridge. Tawid kami papunta doon. Ayan. So, dyan banda yun. Kasong init. Dad, nagugutom na ako tsaka I'm thirsty. Please. Kain muna kami dito.
Pork dumpling noodle.
I'm gonna eat the big trio dumpling soup kasi ayoko mag-rice kasi I'm gonna have dinner later. Big dinner later. So, nandito pala kami sa Lee Place. Hong Kong style wonton noodles. Yan yung pagkain ni husband. Food ko. Big trio dumpling soup. Clear broth lang siya talaga. Plus dumpling. Ayan yung pinaka-complex. Chinatown Complex. This place is beautiful. I've been here several times pero talagang I'm still in awe every time nakikita ko to. Hello! It's our last day today here. So before anything else, me and hubby are gonna have brunch here at Monster Curry. Thank you. So I'm getting a chicken katsu. Look at that big plate. I got the chicken katsu and then husband got the pork katsu. Plato pa lang. Laki-laki na. Talagang giant. Uwian na. So we're gonna use one of these kiosks. So yan na yung mga boarding passes namin. Yan, bag tags naman. Gate ano tayo. Now we're gonna do our bag drop. Scan.
Passport ulit.
Anong kilo niya doon? Ilan siya? Heavy. Although, tara, let's eat muna. This is roti prata with butter chicken. And I have the coffee with condensed milk.
Go.
We also ordered a kaya toast. Ayan o, kapal ng butter. Well, uwing-uwi na ako. So that is our airplane going home. Singapore Airlines. So this is Nell. Bye!